Yeah. Please read.
Okay, what is said to be financial market? Financial markets refer to any marketplace where the trading of securities occur, including the stock market, bond market, forex market, derivative market, among others. Name some of the functions of the financial market. Functions of financial markets: it helps determining the price of securities, it facilitates mobilization of savings and put it to the most productive uses, it produces liquidity to tradable assets by facilitating the exchange, as the investors can sell their securities and convert assets into cash. Capital formation: it ensures low cost of transactions and information. It provides security dealings in financial assets. What do you mean by money market? The money market basically refers to a section of the financial market where financial instruments with high liquidity and short-term maturities are traded. Who is the lender of the money market in India? The money market basically refers to a section of the financial market where financial instruments with high liquidity and short-term maturities are traded. The Reserve Bank of India is the leader of the money market in India. What are the money market instruments? The money market basically refers to a section of the financial market where financial instruments with high liquidity and short-term maturities are traded. The money market instruments are certificate of deposit, treasury bill, commercial paper, and call money.
Very good. Now we will request Shiva Kumar to read. Shiva Kumar, please read. 6 to 10.
Okay,
Shiva,
sir.
yeah.
Which institutions play a major role in the treasury bill market? A treasury bill is a promissory note issued by the RBI to meet the short-term requirements of funds. Banks, financial institutions, and corporations normally play a major role in the treasury bill market. What is the minimum maturity period of treasury bills? Treasury bills are presently issued in 3 maturities, namely 91 day, 182 day, and 364 day. What is known as commercial paper? Commercial paper is an unsecured instrument issued in the form of promissory note. Commercial paper is an unsecured short-term debt instrument issued by a corporation, typically for the financing of accounts. What is the maximum maturity period of commercial papers from the date of an issue? The commercial paper is an unsecured instrument issued in the form of promissory note. Commercial paper is an unsecured short-term debt instrument issued by a corporation, typically for the financing of accounts. Maturity period 7 days to 1 year from the date of issue. To whom does the certificate of deposits issued by commercial banks and special finance institutions? A certificate of deposit are short-term instruments issued by commercial banks and special financial institutions, which are freely transferable from one party to another. These can be issued to individuals, cooperatives, and companies.
1 minute.